418s on 3 10-inch aeroports.
Yep.
Wow.
27 hertz tune. There's PSI Platform 5s. I asked for team cabs.
I like that. That looks good, man. Pretty good. You next?
No, you go.
Oh, okay.
PSI Platform 5.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey, can I see the back?
Yeah, dude. What do you want? Okay,
I can open it? I just wanted to see the back if that was alright. Very nice.
It would come around after I got my shit incredibly hot.
Sorry, man.
Oh, no, that's all
Wow, these 8 or 10s?
10.
Woo! 418s on 3 10-inch aeroports.
Yep.
Wow.
27 hertz tune.
PSI, the team PSIs. Wow.
Well, there's PSI Platform 5s. I asked for team cabs.
I like that. That looks good, man. Very nice. Wow. What is this tuned to?
27.
27?
Peaks at 36 and 46.
36 hertz and 40. Awesome. Amps I can go look at too. I like your work you did on the back here.
Thank you. I had to add some weight to it, man. I already filled one door, so I put this one on the other week.
Yeah. Oh, I see it. 2 different doors.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Wow. Be sure to hit the like button, everyone, and subscribe. Wow. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of his system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Really insane amount of subwoofer flex, a lot of power, and an impressively huge box he fit inside of this vehicle. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Crazy system, subwoofers up and port up. Very unique style. He had to get all the room out of the back end, so 3 big 10-inch aeroports all the way in the back. Probably smart to do it that way. This is the specs I found on the PSI website if you want to pause to take a quick read. These are over 100-pound subwoofers. I didn't actually find out exactly how much power he ran to his subs or the battery bank. I'm just going to go ahead and assume these are 8,000 watt RMS amplifiers, 1 per sub. And the lithium bank, it looks like for the size, is probably over 200 amp hours. So he's definitely got a lot of power with 3 alternators as well for this system. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of videos. Pretty much every day I post a video about car audio systems like this. And this year, if you didn't pick up earlier, these are 10-inch airports, not 8s. And they're 18-inch subs. So enjoy this 5-minute demo. Lots of crazy fun.